The next question. Assalamu alaikum, sir. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Muhammad Ainul Bari, medical student of AIIMS AIMS from West Bengal, India. I stay in a hostel and my roommate is a Hindu. He has some small statues of their gods. So is it mandatory to cover these every time when I attend to Salah? Please explain. I cannot attend every Jummah because of the class schedule, so I do Zohar at tiffin time. Is it right or wrong? Please explain. Whether Muhammad Ainul Bari has asked two questions. Number one, he stays in a hostel and his roommate is Hindu, and his Hindu friend has got many idols of the gods. So he's asking, when I pray in the room, should he cover these idols? Brother, when you pray, you have to pray towards the Qibla. You have to find out from the compass, from your mobile, that where is the Qibla. After you've identified the Qibla, you have to face in the direction of the Kaaba for praying. Now, when you face in the direction of Kaaba, in front of you there should be no idol. If the idol is behind you, no problem. So, if the idol is in front of you, or you can see the idol while praying, see to shift it behind you or out of your field of vision. If you cannot shift it, then you cover it. You explain to your non-Muslim friend, your Hindu roommate, that I am a Muslim. I am not supposed to pray in front of idol. But if the idol is out of your vision, somewhere behind, there is no problem. If in front of you, you shift it behind. Keep it at the side or behind you so that you cannot see it, and your prayer is valid. If you cannot shift it, you can cover it with a cloth so that it is not seen. Coming to your second question. That you miss your Jummah Salah because it clashes with your classes. So what do? You pray a Zohar during a tiffin time or lunch break. Is it correct? It's totally wrong. A Muslim is not supposed to miss his Jummah Salah. Normally, a Muslim should offer his prayer in congregation in mosque. Some scholars say it's a fard kifaya. Some scholars say that it is fard. Some say it is gunah kabira. According to Imam al-Dhahabi, he puts it as if you regularly miss your normal salah, if you do not pray in congregation mosque, it's a major sin. He puts it as 65th or 56th number of major sin. So some scholars say fard kifaya, some say it is fard, some say it is gunah kabira if you miss it. Jummah, there is no difference of opinion. Jummah is a fard on every Muslim. And if you miss for 3 Jummah, there's a hadith that there's a black spot is there, and can, if without any valid reason, it can go to kufr. Without any valid reason. So, normally you cannot miss unless if you're traveling, okay, you need not pray. It's not fard to pray, you're traveling. Or if you're sick, or if there's a valid reason. But because it clashes with your education classes, this is no valid reason at all. And you're in West Bengal. MashaAllah. West Bengal is one of the states of India which has, MashaAllah, substantial percentage of Muslims. And one of the safe places, when I say in my talk, if you have to migrate, one, Kashmir has a large population, then Kerala is there. Even West Bengal has a large population. And West Bengal has millions of Muslims. I'm sure if you tell to your teacher that, you want to go to prayer during Jummah, I doubt they'll object. And it's mentioned in the constitution, the Muslim personal law is there. Worst comes to worst, you miss it. No problem. If you can see to it that you can change the timing of the class. If not, you miss it. There is no comparison between attending an educational class or Jummah Salah. And Jummah Salah can't be prayed in your hostel or your college. It has to go into a mosque or a place where Jummah is offered. If your college is a Muslim college where Jummah is offered, alhamdulillah. So it should be read in a congregation, and you cannot miss it for petty reasons, unless there's a valid reason like traveling and if you're sick, etc. So my advice to you, you're asking, is it right or is it wrong? It's totally wrong. It's haram. So you cannot miss your Jummah Salah. And see to it, my advice to you would be that pray even your 5-time Salah in congregation in a mosque. Since you are living in West Bengal, mashallah, has got many mosques. You will find mosques in most of the places. It will not be far away. So my advice to you would be, see to it that you pray 5-time Salah in a mosque in congregation, and Jummah Salah, in no way should you miss a single Jummah Salah unless there's a valid reason. Hope that answers the question.